New Type is a fast and reliable source of Gunpla paints and tools shipped internationally. Purchasing with my affiliate link newtype.us/frostsnow also helps support me with a small commission. So it was like a 5-minute walk. Yeah.
Very big size Gundam shop.
The location changed. It used to be in a basement, but I don't know how it looks like now. We've only been here once in the old location. 중앙 계단으로 입장이라고 하네. 당근거리면 좋은데.
This is Anitong gate.
이거
오. 응? 아.
This is the lottery that you pay and you get one of the random prizes. The smaller kits. 이거 새로 나온 건데 이거 요즘 뉴타입에서 많이 봤는데. Looks like it's gonna come in later. It's pretty
인기
popular.
많아서.
Okay, only English cookie, right? And then the copyright music just was so loud that I can't really keep the original audio, but I'll still insert some of the comments that we made and hopefully not get flagged for it. Mostly RG, HG.
예쁘다.
And chrome. This is the Anna version, I think.
Hard disk.
The airline. More special coating version, like titanium finish, lots of titanium finish.
티타늄 피니쉬.
The
오.
white version.
천장 뚫겠다.
Bunch of tools.
스타일렉스.
Starbucks is a pretty cheap brand
음.
in Korea. It's a pretty cheap brand.
This is 궁극 sanding.
This is the Godhand nipper price.
Very cheap.
Very cheap? No, this is expensive.
Expensive?
They usually don't put it out on display because it's so expensive. You have to ask them for it. So Anitong and Hobby Factory would be what I'd say were the two biggest Gunpla stores in Seoul, Korea. But you guys might know that Hobby Factory actually closed down not too long ago. You can still check out the video that I have for it. I also filmed there as well, and just click above.
Oh, what's this?
And I was thinking Anitong is the only large Gunpla store left. And I was saying at the beginning of the video that It actually used to be in a basement. It had 2 floors and was just really huge.
Very old music.
Old music.
It even had an entire manga section, which I've actually never really seen in hobby stores because they're not really as popular. But we only just found out that the location moved really right before coming to the store and didn't realize that it had actually downsized. So I would say the old place would be easily 3 or 4 times the size of what's here. And unfortunately, it seems like even with the closing down of Hobby Factory, Gunpla stores are kind of struggling in Seoul.
내가 찍을게. Wow, so cute.
천천히 하나요.
하나 3,000원? 귀엽네.
Spray cans, enamels, Tamiya, Gaia, thinners, Kungs. This is a Korean brand. We use a lot of their surfacer. Cookie likes to use that, uses it a lot. He calls it foundation. Gaia thinner costs $22, and that's really expensive. But this IPP is $8, and we use this leveling one. This is cheap too, $15 for the Kungs thinner. IPP, Korean brand. And you see how many more IPP there is compared to Gaia, because we're not getting as much from Japan. Mr. Hobby Paints, we don't use these as much, but looks like there's a good stock. And Cookie kept saying it looks like Akihabara in here whenever he sees these really cute figures. Decals, if you need some decals.
This is a Dragon Ball figure.
I called Cookie over and I was so happy to see this kit for $80 here, which I bought in Japan secondhand for something like $30. Of course, it was used. A bit surprised to see this here. I had seen this Hello Kitty online. It was so cute, but so expensive. Didn't think I'd be able to afford it, but it's just so adorbs. The really expensive Hello Kitty, the metal, is this metal configuration? Hello Kitty, so cute. This isn't the Gunpla one, but this one's really cute, like a robot Hello Kitty.
진짜 무거워. It's really heavy.
Really wanted to take that home with me. Some military stuff too. Also got the Star Wars kits here. Cookie's more of a fan. And he's just talking about how cool they are.
This is R2D2.
I think this is really cute. Yeah.
Sharon like.
I think this is really cute. It's like a bug robot, but Cookie doesn't like it.
But I was just telling him before that I thought it's really cute. I said maybe we should paint one together, and he was like, no.
Oh.
Cookie said no.
High resolution.
High resolution.
오리진 하나씩 해볼까?
내 건 없어. 이거밖에 없어. 새 거 없네. These are kind of cute too. We saw this at the Gundam Expo.
이거 이쁘지?
For Mania heads.
아마침이나 이쁘지 않아? 이거 내가 레진으로 가지고 있는 거.
귀여워. The old SDs.
이게 다 좀 나온 지 좀 된 것들.
So cute. I think these are the best ones. MAK 없네 오빠? And here we've got the good stuff, the PGs and the Verkas. Although for a Korean Gunpla shop, it still is, I would say, a bit more limited in selection, definitely compared to what Anitong used to stock. And obviously it is because it's downsized a bit, which is still really unfortunate. And I felt a bit sad coming here to see it, especially because I saw the previous larger store. But I think this is really one of the fewer physical shops that sell Gunpla at below the box price. If you go to the official Gundam base, the prices are going to be the official box price, which is a bit more pricey. Although they have things like stamp discounts, membership points, and so on, but it still comes out to quite expensive if you're going there for just a one-time visit. So if you do come to Seoul, I still think Anitong is worth a visit, especially if you want to pick something up physically right away and take it with you and you can't shop online. Cookie and I, we just like to visit physical stores. There's just something different about seeing all of the boxes and going through it, even though they're all kits that we've seen before. It's just a little outing that we enjoy. So I'm so happy we went and checked it out.
여기
어디
여기
가는지
여기
몰라.
여기
아, 여기야?
순대타운 직진 먹어보세요. 어때요?
맛있네. 맛있네. 어머.
다여가지고.
이호당, 이호당.
I'd like to thank my Patreon supporters who allow me to spend more time to build, paint, and produce videos while not having to worry about making a living at the same time. Patreon is a way for anyone to support their favorite creator and content. You can also join us on Discord to chat with me and fellow Gunpla hobbyists. Check it out at patreon.com/frostysnow. Thanks for watching!